Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make Goan chicken curry. So for that I have taken 3 pieces of chicken, 2 cups of coconut milk, coriander leaves for garnishing, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and here I have to make a paste of 3 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 3 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon, and 10 to 12 black pepper. Here I also have to mix salt with the chicken and leave this for marination for at least half an hour. Here I have fried 1 big onion till golden brown. Now I will add to this chicken pieces. Mix it well. Now stir fry this for a minute. Now I'll add to this coconut milk. Okay, mix it well. Add ginger garlic paste, vinegar, and this blended masala. And again mix this and leave this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So here our chicken curry is ready. Allow this to and garnish this with cilantro leaves. So you can serve this hot with rice, roti or chapati.